Hello viewers, welcome to today's video discussion on my YouTube channel about a faulty mass airflow sensor. A bad MAF sensor refers to a malfunctioning or faulty mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor is a crucial component in a vehicle's engine management system. It measures the amount of air entering the engine and relays this information to the engine control unit, ECU. The ECU then uses this data to calculate the correct amount of fuel to inject into the engine for optimal combustion. A bad mass airflow (MAF) sensor can cause several issues with a vehicle's performance. Here are some common symptoms of a faulty MAF sensor. Number 1. Poor acceleration. The engine may struggle to accelerate smoothly or may experience hesitation or stumbling during acceleration. 2. Decreased fuel efficiency. A bad MAF sensor can cause incorrect readings of the amount of air entering the engine, leading to an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture and reduced fuel efficiency. 3. Engine misfires. Incorrect air-fuel mixture can cause the engine to misfire, resulting in rough idling or a noticeable loss of power. 4. Stalling or rough idle. The engine may stall or have an irregular idle when the MAF sensor is malfunctioning. 5. Check engine. A faulty mass airflow sensor is a common reason why a check engine light comes on. If the engine control module receives a MAF error code, it will turn on the check engine light to let you know that there is a problem with the engine. 6. Engine surging. The engine may surge or fluctuate in RPMs when the MAF sensor is not functioning properly. 7. Difficulty starting your car. Another sign that the fuel mixture is off is problem starting your automobile. A lean fuel mixture means that there isn't enough fuel in the combustion chamber for the spark plugs to ignite. A rich fuel mixture could be flooding the engine with too much diesel fuel or gasoline. Either condition will make it hard to get your automobile started, especially on a cold morning. 8. Engine hesitation and jerking. Too much fuel can make your engine hesitate because it is being flooded. It can also make your acceleration jerky. As you are driving along, if there is too much fuel in the engine, your engine may surge, which means it picks up speed even though you didn't increase your foot pressure on the accelerator. 9. Lean or rich fuel mixture. If the MAF is not reading the air influx correctly, the ECM may reduce the amount of fuel in the combustion chamber and create a lean fuel mixture. The ECM may also increase the amount of fuel in the combustion chamber and create a rich fuel mixture. Your vehicle will have a hard time idling on either a lean or rich fuel mixture, and it will sputter and might even stall. 10. Engine hiccups. Finally, an air and fuel imbalance caused by a mass airflow sensor that is going bad can also make your engine hiccup. It will stutter and hiccup as you drive along and, depending on the air and fuel imbalance, it might even stall as you slow down and stop. 11. Engine hesitation and dragging. If the mass airflow numbers indicate there is less air in the engine than there actually is, the ECM will reduce the amount of gasoline flowing into the combustion chamber. This will cause your engine to hesitate and drag, especially if it is under stress. Things that can cause additional stress on your engine include towing and driving up a steep hill. 12. Rough idle. Another problem with a lean or rich fuel mixture is idling. If the engine is being starved of fuel, it will idle roughly, but it will also idle roughly if it's being flooded by gasoline. Your vehicle should always idle smoothly. 13. Poor gas economy. If your vehicle's mass airflow sensor is airing rich, i.e., causing too much gas to be burned in the combustion chamber, you will notice a significant reduction in your fuel economy. If you are going to the gas station more often than normal, it could be the MAF. 14. Black exhaust. One sign that your vehicle's MAF is going bad is black exhaust from excess fuel. Too much fuel can wind up in the combustion chamber if the MAF is not sending correct readings to the engine control module. The additional fuel can also clog the catalytic converter. 15. Rough shifting. A malfunctioning MAF sensor can cause the engine to receive incorrect data, leading to rough shifting in automatic transmissions. 16. Poor engine performance. A faulty MAF sensor can result in overall poor engine performance, including reduced power and responsiveness. 17. Increased emissions. Incorrect air-fuel mixture caused by a bad MAF sensor can lead to increased emissions, potentially causing a vehicle to fail an emissions test. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button.